Boost your small apartment investments. Streamline Admin Tasks. What's up, everyone? It's Jubair Hassan. And let me tell you, managing small apartment investments, it can feel like you're drowning in paperwork, phone calls, and just endless to-do lists. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm sharing my top strategies to streamline your admin tasks, giving you back your time and maximizing your returns. We're talking automation, smart negotiation tactics, and systems that practically run themselves. You ready to level up your real estate game? Let's dive in. Automate the power of property management software. Look, time is money, right? And every minute you spend chasing down rent checks or coordinating repairs is a minute you could be focusing on bigger picture stuff, like finding your next property. That's where property management software comes in. We're talking about automating rent collection, sending out those lease renewal reminders like clockwork, and even handling maintenance requests without you lifting a finger. Plus, a lot of these platforms have built-in tenant communication tools, so you can keep everyone in the loop without the endless back and forth. Trust me, automating these routine tasks is a game changer. Unlock hidden profits negotiating with service providers. Here's a little secret landlords don't always tell you. You've got bargaining power, especially if you've got multiple units. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your service providers. Internet, cable, trash removal, you name it. See if you can swing a bulk discount for signing up multiple units, or explore loyalty programs. Some providers will give you a better rate if you stick with them long term. These savings might seem small at first, but trust me, they add up big time over the long haul, boosting your bottom line without you having to do much at all. Chapter 3. Ditch the filing cabinet. Embrace the paperless revolution. Let's be real. Nobody wants to be buried under a mountain of leases and receipts. Not only is it a massive headache to organize, but it's also a recipe for lost documents and wasted time. It's time to go digital, my friends. Scan those important documents, use cloud storage to keep everything organized and accessible, and say goodbye to those clunky filing cabinets. Going paperless not only saves you space and stress, but it also makes tax season a whole lot easier. Plus, it's better for the environment. Win-win. Chapter 4. Online rent payment platforms. Your secret weapon for consistent cash flow. Remember those days of chasing down rent checks, dealing with late payments, and wondering when the heck you'd actually get paid? Yeah, those days are over. Online rent payment platforms are an absolute game changer for small apartment investors. Tenants can pay rent with a few clicks, you get paid faster and more reliably, and you can say goodbye to those awkward late payment conversations. Plus, these platforms often integrate with accounting software, making it a breeze to track income and expenses. Talk about a win-win. Chapter 5. Finding your perfect match. Choosing the right property management software. Okay, so you're ready to jump on the property management software bandwagon. Awesome. But with so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming to choose the right one. First things first, make a list of your must-have features. What tasks do you absolutely want to automate? Then start researching different software options, comparing pricing, features, and user reviews. Don't forget to factor in things like customer support and how easily the software integrates with your other business tools. Remember, finding the right software is an investment in your sanity and your success. So there you have it. My top strategies for streamlining your small apartment investments and reclaiming your precious time. Remember, managing properties doesn't have to be a constant uphill battle. By embracing automation, negotiating smarter, and ditching those outdated systems, you can free up your time, maximize your profits, and focus on what really matters: growing your real estate empire. Now get out there, crush it, and I'll see you in the next video.